Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our Tiny Tuesdays. Alright, so I have $20 here, guys, for Tiny Tuesdays. And I think I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, for some reason it felt like a heavier stack, but it's just 20. So these bills go into sinking funds for my daughter. So it's Tiny TOT Tuesdays, really. So anything that she needs for her school year, for her clothing, anything like that, we use this money. I hope y'all are having a great week. It is Tuesday morning when I'm filming this. I'm filming this before I go into work. Got up early so I could get some stuff done. So how has y'all's week been? Are you guys looking forward to April? Are you guys looking forward to the springtime? I for sure am. Okay, come on, 1 and 5. There we go. Thank you. And 1. Perfect. Thank you for listening to me. That doesn't always happen. Okay, there we go. And that's all of our money allocated. Today's video is brought to you by Kroger K-Cups. Hashtag not sponsored. Not really. I wish they would sponsor me. This one it's like a blueberry crumble flavor. And it's really nice. It's a little festive, you know. I don't always do I don't usually do flavored coffee, honestly. Whenever I do flavored coffee, it's like a treat. Just because I don't really like sweet coffee. It's nothing against it. I just prefer, you know, my coffee to not be sweet, but this one has a nice flavor. It's not like it has any sugar in it, but anyways, it's yummy. And I'm still using my coffee cup that I got for Valentine's Day from Kroger because it's so cute and I love it. And it doesn't matter that it's not Valentine's Day. All right, so this first challenge is by overthinking and budgeting. And we got $1 here today, so we can't add anything to it. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just gonna set this dollar aside for next time. Hopefully it'll get a partner soon. All right, then we have this one by Faith Hope Budgeting. And each of these is 2. We got 1, 2, 3, $4. So we can set 2 to the side over here and fill in this last one. I don't think this is the right color, but that's okay. All right, so this one is done. We are finishing this on the 25th. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. All right, so that's one challenge finished. I have been working on my Ko-fi memberships, guys. If you have not seen anything about that, go check it out. There's a link in my description. But I have been on fire with that. We have 1, 2, 3 with this challenge by What's Poppin' Sunshine. Each one of these hearts is $2. So we have $1 that we're gonna not use today. But yeah, I have been working so hard on mailing out the challenges for April. So if you are one of my doodlers or sketchers, you will be getting your challenge in the mail soon. I think I just mailed out. Well, I need to mail out the last few ones today. I had a couple people sign up yesterday or Sunday, and I need to mail those out today. So after that, if you sign up, you will be getting the challenges for not April, but for May. All right, so in this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, our next challenge here is by Cash Money Budgets. We have this little space bunny. Each of these UFOs is $2, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually do. So we're coloring in 3 of these little UFOs. So yeah, so it's been really busy, but really fun to start that membership for people, and I've loved it so far. It is taking up a lot of my time. Yesterday I woke up early, got some stuff done, I tutored after work, came home for a little bit, kept working on stuff, went out, tutored again, and came home and kept working on stuff, and I was working on stuff till about midnight. But you know, it is what it is, and I'm thankful for everyone who signed up and everything. So it's all good stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one. Wait, what? Oh, I only colored 2, didn't I? Hello. Sorry about that. Okay, we need 1 more. There we go. Okay. But I did tell the family that I tutor yesterday, like usually on Mondays, I did tell them yesterday that it would be my last day with them. And they were sad, and I was sad because we've enjoyed getting to know each other and hanging out. But we'll still see each other. All right, so this one is by Madeline Budgets. We're going to make each one of these circles $2. So I'm going to steal one over here so we can get this one started. And we're going to fill in one of these guys. But yeah, I told them, you know, I would love to have them over. I'll make some raclette for them, which is a French cheese dish. It's like melted cheese, and you pour it over potatoes or whatever, and it's really yummy. So we're gonna do that. They're coming over to my place in a few weeks. But I just can't tutor them anymore. All right, this one is one that I created. It's in my Ko-fi shop for $2. You can get it, if you're a member, you can get it for free. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 to this one. So I told them I couldn't tutor them anymore. They were sad. I was sad, but it's necessary. I just, you know, I'm trying to keep my head above water with everything, and I need to prioritize some stuff, and I can't do it all. As much as I would love to, and as much as I try, I can't do it all. So there's that. All right, and then we're gonna take this other extra dollar, and we're gonna give this guy a partner so he doesn't feel so lonesome. And we're gonna cross out one of these. So now we should have 6 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we do. Perfect. Okay, so that is our Tiny Tuesdays. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed and shown me support in one way or another. Thank you so much. And thanks for hanging out with me today and just watching and commenting. If you are new here and you haven't said hi yet, please say hi in the comments so I know that you're here, and that and so that I can say hello and welcome you to my channel, and thank you for your support. All right, guys, I hope y'all have a great rest of your week, a great Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow for our scratch and save binder. Bye.